This video is called Wingello to Long Point.
Hi, this is Neil from Challenger 4-wheel drive. Here's a preview of what's coming up in this video.
I've never done this one before, I don't think. G'day guys, I'm doing a drive around Wingello State Forest and then to Long Point Lookout in Morton National Park. It's an excellent day trip from Sydney with four-wheel drive trails, forests and the amazing lookout to finish off the day. Hey guys, Neil here, how you going? Yeah, I'm on Gulp Road. I'm in Wingello State Forest, just having a little explore. Yeah, this is where I am at the moment. It's a massive amount of land, isn't it? So this is just one small bit of Wingello State Forest. Bit of a moonscape actually. Anyway, we'll see if we can find some four-wheel driving. Little campsite here, right next to the forest too. Yeah, if you can see that, that's the corner of Nyes Creek Road and Gap Road. So I'm on Nyes Creek Road where that little washout is, and there's a little play area here. Yes, I've worked my way across to Burnt Hut Road. I'll go left here and see where it takes me. Way back in 2019, I did a day trip to Wingello, and this muddy boghole was full. So I took a much younger Challenger through it, as you do. off Gap Road, did a little bit of Gap Road, and now we're on Spotted Gum Road. See what's down here. It's another little campsite off Spotted Gum. I must have never done this one before, I don't think. Just put it in high range, it's a little bit steep. It does come to a dead end. Hey, look at that, I've got to get back up that bloody hill now. Spotted Gum Road is scenic and it's in the hardwood forest and it has lots of secluded campsites. This is 4 Creek Road. Well, there's a little bit of mud on 4 Creek Road. Now this climb would be interesting in the wet. Yeah, this is a mud pit. That's a real mud pit. Yeah, you'd never get through it. Not on my own, sorry. I'd bloody love to. Look at this. Yeah. I'm on my way to Morton National Park to check out the view from the Long Point Lookout. I've heard it's spectacular. There's an easy bushwalk to the upper lookout. It's only 300 metres, but if you hike down into the gorge, it's a steep 3 kilometres, and I'd imagine the walk back up would burn a lot. I've seen a few views, but look at this. It's insane. It's Long Point Lookout. You can see right into the gorge and the sandy beaches that line the Shoalhaven. To hike down there with a small tent and spend a few days on the river would be insane. Yeah, that was Long Point Lookout. My God, very impressive. And the weather's changed a bit. The clouds came in, but just looked even better. There's even a little bit of a rainbow. I don't know if I got a photo of it, but no, very impressive. Steep little drive out, but yeah, this is Morton National Park. I'd never been there before, but yeah, very impressed. Okay guys, I'm going back to Wingello. I'm going to get the drone up again. And I want to see how the rain has affected the tracks. Look at this. The Challenger's getting dirtier from these roadworks than the actual four-wheel driving. Yeah, so the weather's changed, overcast. Looks like it might rain. If it does rain, these tracks are all very greasy. You know, so I might have trouble getting out on the incline, so I'm gonna head off now and just see how I go. I don't know how far it is to the boundary, but anyway, we'll get there. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Guys, if you could like, comment and share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos. That would really help the channel a lot. Okay, I might see you out in the tracks, eh? Bye.